Hi guys. In this video, I am going to show you how to start page numbering from a specific page in Word. It's very simple and quite easy. So let's get started. First, go to that page where you want to start your page numbering. Then on the top side here, go to Layout. And here you find the option Breaks, click on it. Then select the option Next Page here. Then go to the Insert tab and click on Page Number here and choose your page numbering style. Next, click on Link to Previous here. Next, click on Page Number here and then select the option Format Page Numbers. Then in this pop-up, click on Start It. And then add a number here to start your page numbering with that specific page number. So I add 1. And then click on OK. Now from the previous page, remove page numbers. Then click on Close Header and Footer here. And that's it. Now, as you can see, my page numbers are started from a specific page. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section below. We're eager to hear from you.